Welcome to my streaming channel. Just getting set up here. What's up? We on with NexGen, funded account, 50K. I don't know where we're at so far. Let's see where our baseline is. We're down $9. Let's see if I got $9. We have $9. Down $10. Let's see if I can make that into 100. Let's see. Let's see if this transition works. Bam! 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 Maybe? Who knows? I'll have to watch it back to see. Huh. What do I want to do, man? This is pretty good. Alright. We got our we're near the end of the playlist for the first time. It's just playing through with Purge and Revert from the Off Near Trading Somehow channel. So yeah, appreciate the music. Have to make sure we start this over. Otherwise, it'll probably go play some copyrighted stuff. So, what are we doing here? Let's get this set up better. Bingo. Let's make sure I don't have any bleed through on sound. The trading plan for today is chill, man. I don't have any big plans to go crazy here. I have a Catalyst account. I might play with that. We'll see. What is a Catalyst account? It's a like a Tradeify's brand new market where they bet on things. I won the account from someone, and yeah, I'm trying it out. So see how that goes. I don't really care about it. It's not my gig. Interesting. I like seeing Bitcoin go up though, so I might bet on that. I don't care. Anyway, did I do anything stupid by showing you that? Probably. Make sure this is closed. Make sure this is closed. And I don't need that open. So how is everyone? Everyone good? I don't know if I have anyone to chat, but let's see. Let's pull up the doc on chat. Bingo. I doubt it. No one's here. Cool. I'm by myself. I can take that. That's exactly what I was worried would happen. I don't know what the hell that was. Whoops. We have to start that over. Alright, from the top. I wonder if there's a repeat button. Repeat. Playback. Normal. Quality. Bingo bango. Should be a repeat button somewhere in here. Autoplay off. That's what I want. Autoplay off. Yes. We're dumping. I tried to get short up here. Got stopped. Actually, I didn't get stopped. I just got scared. I tried again here, took profit. Tried again here, and I got stopped. I was like, stop should have been above here, probably, and that would have been the end of my day. Honestly, it would be like, yeah, it'd be ridiculous. So now we're at top of the hour at 9 o'clock, going into 9:30. Market open 6, whatever. I wonder if this is loud in the cans as it is for me. That's weird. That doesn't change the volume of this. It's so weird. I have to like turn it down there. Alright. I'll figure this out. Oh. I'm curious what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin's having a good time. I like that. This makes me feel really good, man. So, this is my Bitcoin trade. Basically sold it a bunch of times. So, I mean, what am I doing? This is actual, but probably cost basis is somewhere down here, 34. So, actual is kind of off. Who cares? Options trading. Yay. I don't need that up anymore. Goodbye, Gotham. Alright. I will be announcing if there's a giveaway on some of these streams. If you're interested. Well, I'm interested, so you're basically forced. You're being forced into it. You're stuck. So I'm gonna pull up my stream safe data. Yeah, stream safe data. So that I can have up over here. And make sure this is good. I like it. I like it. I don't need you on. I don't need you on. I don't need you on. You down to nothing. I don't need you on at all. Let me get the 15 up since I haven't been in a trade yet. I mean, that looks beautiful. Got the 15 and the 5 up. Dip into this bullish fair value gap. I see. Nice bounce. Push onto the 21. Oh. I mean, what do I think here? Is the volume too loud? Maybe. Pull that down a little bit. I always want to check this out, make sure this is good. So, the best way to do this. There's no music coming through. What the hell, man? No music. What the hell? Yeah, the music comes through on my side. It's gonna be loud, isn't it? Alright, let's test it out there, see where we're at. Ooh, we got a nice reaction. We should have been launched, huh? Alright, I'll get these levels right sooner or later. Come on. Just for time. Right there, I think is going to be perfect on the sounds. Right there. See if that sounds good. Testing 1, 2. Mic check. See how that comes through. 9:30 on target. Sorry, guys. I'm hearing that mic tap on the stream. Okay. So what do I think here? Close below a down close, down, close below an up close candle, but not below the volume imbalance. So what do you think of that? That's cool. I think it's probably cool for BTC. I think that's probably really cool for BTC. Yeah. That is really cool for BTC, man. I like that. I like that a lot. Sorry, guys. Sorry if you're in NQ. So I would be looking to retrace some of this move. Let's get this off here. Get that off of there. Let's see. Let's pull this here. Put this up here. Could be half the move. Right into this level here. So those are some of the levels I'm interested in. A nice little bouncy poo, maybe. 1 to 15 minutes. Let's double check this via a mystery. No, come on, stop it. Let's see. I want to see 2 deviations. Yeah, 2 deviations at halfway. It's pretty interesting. Let's refine that. Let's refine that a little bit. Bingo. Bingo. appreciate your chilling with me. Not much. Mr. Ricky did it. Not too much. Good, I'm not muted. Desktop audio, 0. Mic audio, max. Brave audio, good. Double check the music levels. Music levels are pretty good. They're a little low, aren't they? Oh, no. Maybe. Yeah, they are a little low, aren't they? Test a little bump on the music. So little interesting here. Ricky did it. I took a range of this morning. I put a TGIF on it. I also did a deviation of this bearish order block on the 15-minute. Refined it down to the 5-minute. And we get down to like 1.5 and 1. And we see a nice reaction of 1.5. So there's a good chance. There's a good chance that's it as far as the dip. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not in nothing. I'm down $10. Chilling. Keeping an eye on giveaway stuff. Mine from the futures. I'm watching them. They probably do something nice for the holiday, so I don't want to miss that. So when I see those pop up, I'll drop information on them, but my information will be a little laggy, so probably be better off posting that in Discord still. At this point, it must be the API routing that is glitching. Try talking with CQG support or NexGen support. That is not normal. I agree. On this other side, I'm doing a sound test live later. Alright. So yeah, the main purpose of this stream is to chill. The second purpose is to get in a trade and keep an eye on the number of ticks, because I'm seeing weird things. I'm seeing really weird stuff on NexGen. I just want to keep track of it. 5-minute did not close bullish enough to enter nothing. I would sooner see more downside, I guess. Alright. I do have to do a little bit of housekeeping. So I will be stepping away. I have to do a little housekeeping for breakfast, for the kiddo, for the wife. So actually that might be perfect, but whatever. I don't really care if that's down or not. This might turn into a cooking stream. Yeah, of course I'm bullish. I mean, look at it. Look at this crazy shit. How would I evaluate what I want to do today? Alright. What would I do if I wanted to really evaluate it? Be really, really picky. Okay. 5-minute? No. 15-minute? No. Fuck that. 1 hour. Be really picky here, Ricky. Okay. So we're going back to Monday. Okay. Dip. open, high, open, high, low, close. That's what we're looking at, right? Or open, low, high. I mean, what is this? We got an open, high, low, close. But close is turning into something, sort of a, whatever. That might be a little loud. So we dipped into liquidity here pretty nicely. Dip into liquidity and go up. So do you want to see it as open, low, high, close? I kind of want to see open, low, high, close here. I mean, it's Thursday, so a midweek reversal. That's what it's looking like. So because I have nothing to do in 5 minutes and I have to cook a little bit, I'll do that now. But I would like to see this little push into market open, and I would like to see it hold since we took liquidity. So yeah, I'd like to see bullish movement eventually. I don't know, it's hard to say. I don't mind flipping it up though. I will be back in, cut this off and our leftovers for breakfast. Although, to be really honest with you, I'm more interested in what Bitcoin's going to do, Ricky. It's going to be a lot more interesting to me than anything else. Alright, I got 4 minutes till market open. I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't usually either. Get the trade fed to me by my brother. We didn't. Oops, we didn't open. Ooh. We did open. Woof. Wish I saw that. Woof. Alright, so we did below 50%. Alright. I guess that means we are taking a trip. Let me go back to my projection of only lots real quick. Okay, so we tapped the deviation of this order block, and then we bounced. Could be fine. 931. Again, on the 5-minute, dipping into liquidity, dipping into a propulsion block in the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, kind of like it. Honestly, I like that we're dipping into this like bottom quarter of Asia's range and then bouncing. It's really interesting. That is I will not be able to stream. And they will not be eating off others. Alex? Yeah. Could I bring this up to Mom? Okay. Thank you very much. Alright. We are go. We're getting that bounce. 934. What I want to do. Running a household and trading. Wow, shit, man. What's up, partner? Yeah, I'm running around, man. Doing my thing. I like this dip. We're holding a nice dip in the liquidity. Good reaction. Time is 9:34. Levels, make sure the levels are still golden. Oh, we lost music. Damn it. Glad I checked. What's wrong with music, man? Why don't we lose it? Oh, it's there. That's like a low. Alright. Thought we lost it completely. Alright, so we got a form dropping in my funded futures in 10 minutes. You want to see how much of a nerd I am? Timer. Alright, so now I don't have to pay any attention to that channel. And I really like my funded futures, so there is a link in my description for NexGen. I don't really care if you use my code, but if you just click through and I see the analytics for that, I would appreciate it, at the very least. I don't know if it's going to do jack, but if you check it out via my link, I believe that is reported information to NexGen, which I might be able to leverage into something. Use my code or not, I appreciate it. And never use. Oh. What is wrong with me? What's that camera so? So weird. So weird. I think the connection here is so good. Yeah, I lost connection. 9:37 is the time. We are connected again. Yeah. My thing does not want to connect. What's going on? Oh, I bet you I gotta have this up or something like over here.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, thanks.
And where was my present?
1 second.
Uh-huh. More importantly, my cake. What time are we gonna have cake? And we gotta decide what are we gonna do for lunch, brunch, dinner. You're wild to the floor. What are we gonna do for lunch, brunch, dinner? Gotta figure that out. Do we wanna turn the oven on?
Right.
I don't know how busy you are. I see that.
Thanks.
Lunchtime, we got tortellini leftovers. Al's got tortellini.
Yeah.
But for dinner, that's what I gotta figure out. My dinner, if we're not going out, then we're gonna order in, and I think it's quick to order in.
Well, I mean, it is gonna be 110 today.
That's why I'm not going out. I don't really foresee me trying to go out.
Yeah. I hear you.
So,
there we are. Alright, so this actually has to be visible
hello.
on the monitor, otherwise it doesn't like it. That's hilarious. Okay, 9:37 has come and gone, and there is about a 20-second delay. Having good conversations at the house about what we're doing today. Oh, here we go. Let me get this off here. I want the 15-minute, please. deviation with the volume balance.
I'll be weak in Seminole free. I'll be weak in full life free. I'll be weak in multi or 240 a week. Okay? So maybe put it on. You gotta put it saturate a little. Really?
I like that the best. So somewhere in there is where we actually, right there, somewhere in here, that actually makes the most sense. Yeah, there you go. There's the algorithm, right there. 2 deviations, tapped, and then bullish. So 2 deviations down from the order block and to remain bullish. I like that. I like that analysis a lot better than bearish. And that makes sense too, because look at the candles. Candle here can swing low. We have a swing low. Hopefully let's protect the swing low. And we can pump from here. Right there to there. So the high point here, and then close below this point. You can't see it in the algorithm because the pump, the fair value gap, is adjusted. The fair value gap adjusted because of here. So this actual fair value gap that's placed on here by the indicator is wrong. So that's the real fair value gap adjusted. So buy dips. We're gonna buy dips here. Do I like that? Do I really like that? I don't know. I might drop my leverage because I'm questioning it a little bit. Down 10 bucks. Let's drop to here. Just green 2 pixels, please. So close of that in 2 minutes. Let's go to the 1 minute. That's my initial thought. Close above that in 2 minutes. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Bearish order block. Bearish, right? Right? Yeah, bearish. So, I don't know. Top of the hour, 9:45. Kind of want to see it railroaded, dip, bang, push up, close, invalidating this whole thing. We're below the open, looking for longs. 9:30, we're below the open, so we're looking for longs. I'm long biased. 9:44, close the 15-minute candle in 1 minute. Life funded future form in 1 minute. Welcome to Extreme ADV Trading. My funded future web page pulled up. I'm thinking about getting long. Close of this candle below this green line or on this green line where long. Ooh, no, close below. Fuck him. Oh, this is probably gonna pump and then dump. Yeah. This is gonna pump and then dump, isn't it? I was right. I wanted to get long. But I chickened out. I did chicken out. Ooh, what are they doing? What the hell are they doing over here? Alright, there's a forum. Duck race. Alright, fine. I don't see a code word. What is the code word in the Tosin channel? What's the code word, jackass? Code word is duck. You son of a bitch. Copy the word duck. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Alright. We're in the duck race. Gotta be in it to win it, right? Alright, we're below the open. Terrible close on the 15-minute. But it's above. Still, double close. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Anyone know what the hell I'm doing at 11 o'clock? Because I didn't hear it. Now in 10 minutes I'm doing something. I have no idea. That's how I get in trouble. Because I'm supposed to be paying attention to like everything. It just doesn't happen. ADD trading, baby. It's a wonder I even make any trades that are profitable. Who the hell knows, man? Who the hell knows? There's a giveaway on my funded my Tradify crypto. Code word overflow. And then I have to pay attention to my futures operations. Two concurrent viewers. One of them is me. One of you suckers is still watching. Alright. I'm very tempted though on this, but I'm gonna sit pretty. Look at this. Look at all these cities here. How are you gonna push up into them? I probably should have moved up to 21 in the 5-minute. Let's check the 5-minute. See where we close in the 5-minute here. Alright, so we're pushing up into market open. I mean, midnight. Push up into midnight. Ooh. Look at this. This is beautiful. My analysis on BTC. Perfect. 62,300. That's beautiful. I love that. I love that. It's pretty. So, I'm technically playing the 15-minute. I haven't jumped in shit. Just playing the 5 minute, I would have bought here, which would have been good. I would have been happy with that. But a lot of indecision. Mostly because it's a holiday. Um, so my conviction is like, you could see already, like 2 micros. Come on, man. That ain't much. Ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. Hopefully you guys are in the duck race and the giveaways because there's not much I'm really interested in. I'm digging the sound. The sound is pretty good. This is good. Close at 15 above all this. Can you imagine all of that? And we tap the propulsion block, like I said earlier, and blast off. You know what? Okay. If I read price action this good and I don't trade, that's good too. I'm fine with that. Shit, I'm paid today. It's just the truth, man. Like, I have an enormous position on in my personal account, so just enormous, just enormous. So charts, IBIT. This is IBIT, right? Yeah, this is IBIT. This is what time frame? 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. Ooh, look at that. Uh-oh. Well, now if you can do math, then you can probably figure out all this shit I'm hiding. Wonderful. Alright. Alright. Well, it's too late now. You can rewind on YouTube, so. Alright, so I would like it to push up to 36.50. The 4 hour time frame. So 40? 40 would be beautiful, man. 45 would be beautiful too. So what I do is probably start selling calls right around here for like 40, just in case, and collect premiums on my position. It's sort of like insurance. But you'll start seeing me do happy dances in chat if I really hit that. But 35 is beautiful too. I'm really happy. Okay. We are in a duck race. Whee! Here I am. Duck race. Alright, watch how I win. This is the duck. This is my duck. So let's go cheer on my duck. Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. Undo, undo. Lock. Alright, let's see if that hits that. I don't need that. Put that away. I lost. Rena Mallow won. Good for you, Rena. Bitcoin, yes. All right, get out of here, Bitcoin. I don't care about you. Get out of here. All right. Holy shit. Oh, we got another duck race. I forgot. Another duck race with Tom and Terry. 10 accounts, I think. Something ridiculous. It's choppy as hell. Oh well. Okay, so we closed above consequent encroachment of this SIBI on the 5-minute. So dip and rip. 5-minute, 15-minute closes in 4 minutes. Hey, they're running it again. Tradeify Crypto is running the duck race again. Woot. I did not win on my funded futures, which is the one I wanted. Boo. Boo. Oh man, I lost the music again. God damn it. Oh my god, I've been streaming for over an hour. Holy shit. Are you serious? Wow. Dude. Dude, I'm just like chilling here doing my own shit. It's weird. Reminder, triple duck race. 1x with Terry and Tom. 1 with Husk and Matt, and 1 with Ash. There you go. Got a little reminder for duck race. And it didn't win true. Good. Oh. Alright, close this 15-minute candle. Look at that. Holy shit. I think we are going to stay bullish today. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, we're going to go into 10 o'clock and we are going to open, low, high, close. Open, low. Remember that TGI model? Should come in handy, right? What do you think? We're gonna get a TGI candle. TGI on 15-minute to get long. Open, low, high, close. If you like what I'm doing, drop a like. Feed the algorithm. Give me a like for the algorithm. And we're going to get long. Open, low, high, close. So let's get a projection here. Bingo. Yeah. Right there. Reasonable target. I was like 70% dip, 70% retracement, as much as 50% retracement, 200 ticks. We're gonna have to refine that. And then target's gonna be 1.5 deviations, 600 ticks. Absolutely ridiculous targets. Absolutely ridiculous targets. This might be on the whole day. Open. Come on. Probably could have bought that. Jesus Christ. So that's a 2-to-1 really. It's 200 risk 200 versus 600. Let's reduce this to 1 deviation, which we're really close to. 1 to 2. Yeah, it's just gonna go up. This should not have been of the whole range. This should have been of this. 80%. Yeah, dip 80% and go. That's gonna be it. Bang. 240 ticks in the span of about a minute. I wouldn't mind a downput candle here. I'm not gonna get it though. Come on. Dipsky poo. I would like here. This could take a half hour. This could take a half hour to get long. Time frame is 15 minutes. I better not be muted. Hello? No, I'm not muted. I am gonna mute them. That's just funny. That's so funny. That's nice. Oh man. Stupid thing. Okay. Hopefully you didn't see any of that. That was nasty. I don't even want to know. Yeah, $200. Yuck. Yuck. It's not supposed to happen. Yeah, it was consequent approaching the range. This is what it should have been. Gain threshold. The boo boo. The little boo boo. Now we go up, I guess. Bye, bye. Stopped out. That sucks. Wiki bullshit. Still know what's going here, though. It's the ridiculous part about it. You buy on the way down, still get screwed. So you could have bought when you saw a shift in structure on the 1 minute as it's coming down. So this is where you could have bought. Because you know it's a full shoulder block. Bam. If you want to get in on trend. So again, I want to get in on trend. So I'm going to buy dips. Ouch. Ouch. I'm going to take another L, aren't I? I really want to take another L. Did I? Oh, motherfucker. 15-minute candle open and I bought it. Stupid. I literally bought the top. I literally bought the top. Good job. Oof. I'm gonna take it out. Shit. Son of a bitch. though. Never take the YouTuber trades. Idiot. It's terrible. You need some help here. I should have took it off at -40. That's going to be after that account, isn't it? Nope. Not yet. I'm going to burn a funded right here on stream, aren't I? Yep. Toast. Yeah, I'm gonna burn a thumbnail right on stream. Stream on this. Boom. Oh yeah, that was a minute. Like, no, you can't do more contracts, you idiot. You lose more money. Come on, push. Nope. I shouldn't be on the 1 minute. That's the whole problem. Should not be on the 1 minute. That's fine. We're gonna toast this little thing right here. Alright, I'm gonna do some damage control. What do I want to kill this at? It's probably gonna close above here, and then it's gonna go up. And this is just a dip. Control. Yeah. I'm screwed. That's it. That's it. That's it. That should be toast. I'm fucked. Destroyed this whole account. Toasty, toasty. Oh, yeah, that's it, man. This thing's already toasted. They just haven't told me it's toasted. They just haven't told me it's toasted. Alright, blew this one out. Roasted an account online. I wonder if I'd do something stupid. Come on, turn green. No? Not gonna let me? Huh? Come on. Since the account's already blown, see if they kill it or not. Poof. Now it's gone. And goodbye, NexGen. Ooh, 3,000. And didn't kill it before 3,000, that's a problem. Alright, so analysis is dog shit. TGI Friday, trash. TGI Friday, trash. TGI Friday, trash. Where'd I go wrong? Huh. No. Dipping the liquidity above the open 10 o'clock. I guess you could say above the open at 10 o'clock looking for shorts. Alright, I guess. Wow. Is there news? I don't know. I'll check. Usually I have that up. Not for professionals. 10 a.m. Nation accepts or moves straight. Fees are inevitable. News, whatever. Woof. Alright. Screwed. Alright. I screwed that up pretty good. Toasted, roasted. Alright. Yucky. Yeah, this is a WildBerries production for sure. That was pretty ugly. It's called going for it, man. It's really terrible. Adding to a losing trade. Terrible. So where did I go wrong? Alright, let's look at where I went wrong. So, trying along the top. No, I was just short. Yeah, this is a short, and then I got stopped out. And I was like, okay. This is bullish. Close above all this. Really strong. And then not recognizing the weakness in the close here. Not recognizing this. It's a good close. It's a very good close. It's a good close on the 15-minute. Maybe it needs to be up here. I don't know. It's definitely weak. This is brutal. This whole 15-minute candle destroyed it. So what am I doing now? Okay, so I tried along this dip, playing off this order block, thinking this is push up, it's an order block. What did I see wrong? What did I see? Where did I go wrong here? So when we closed below this, I was thinking, okay, so this held. This is, I guess you could say this is thin ice. And we crash right through it. It's a breaker. Use the breaker, push up. And then we already used the breaker. So you're not going to use the breaker again. So you're going to come down here. So this is the order block that was support. Maybe. do that instead. Maybe like that. Yeah, maybe like that. So, yeah, it's dog shit, man. So, what was I thinking here? I was thinking, okay, this is a very shorter block. Close below all this, push up, and perfect Ryan's model right here. 983. Get short, hold it till Valhalla. This is the bear shorter block right there. So this is never green. This is never meant to be my my bias. Yeah, my bias is dog shit. Played my bias till I died. Die with my bias. Yep. Right there. 5 minutes. That looks good. This should hold. Oh. So let's see what this should target here. 2 deviations, 2.5 deviations. So it's going to dip into liquidity again and then go up. Maybe dip into liquidity and go up based on the order block. I don't know, I got real caught up in bullish movement. I got really caught up in bullish movement because of I got caught up in bullish momentum because of why did I get caught up in bullish movement? Well, because it's a no news. Well, it's definitely news day. What am I talking about? News day was fucking none from you, idiot. So, this theory of pump all day was terrible. It's a news day. Dummy. I should have been talking this whole time. So, what did I do? Alright. Well, I didn't run away. Just kept stream on. I don't feel bad. And I'm gonna learn from my mistake. So, when we close below 15-minute here, this is a big sign. It's a big sign that this should come true. And it can do negative 2.25 algorithmic. Look at that. Look at that algorithmic level, 2.25. Dink, bounce. So, created bearish order block that I thought we ran it out by closing above it. I thought closing above it invalidated the bearish order block. Kind of like the railroad did it. Maybe keep going. Nope. So the bearish order block played out to 2.25 deviations into the propulsion block on the 15-minute, and now should push up pretty violently, I would imagine. So a bullish order there would have been fine. It really sucks. It really does suck, man. Who cares about all that? Alright, so let's look at a 5-minute. So I thought this was a city, and I thought we closed above it. But I should have been looking at the 15, I guess. And there's no city on the 15-minute there. So we shouldn't even have this here. So we're gonna close above this inversion and then flip it into support, maybe again. It'll be reclaimed. Kind of hard to say. All right. What can we learn from this mess? Did we take Asia? We took Asia. Took Asia low. We closed above Asia high. And then we completely dumped. So we took Asia high and we dumped. How was I supposed to see this? Does it look like a breaker? It's the wrong color. It's a little cleaner now, doesn't it? Close below the breaker, close above the breaker, tag, close above, and dip. It's a little cleaner now, doesn't it? Close above, close below. Alright, close below, close above, and run out the other side. That should have been on my chart, or in my mind. guess it really sucks. um, what is this level? Whoa. This thing keeps my old orders on the chart? It's weird. This thing keeps like week old orders on the chart. Amazing. No. Yes, how you pass. It's how you pass the NexGen. Like, just pump the damn thing. So weird. Alright, I'm gonna keep looking at this. Maybe I'll pick up another one since it's free resets, and then I'll just keep it in the background. It's 11:30. Didn't have that race with Steven. They just didn't jump, didn't they? I hate this. You're very well, Ricky. Very, very good, Ricky. Thank you for hanging out. Hope you did not trade with me. Let's get off the 4 hour. 15 minutes. Alright, I can't look at that anymore. Can't look at this anymore. Get off my screen. Okay. Thank you. I can't look at that anymore. Close below now. Alright, I'm gonna end stream because we have done 2 hours. I don't know how, but we did. Absolutely disgusting performance. Blew 50K funded account. Lost track of where we were in price action. Ignored a bearish order block because we closed above it. Alright. I guess it was a mitigation block into further downside. I don't know. Peace out. Thanks for watching. My bias took over and I blew up.